I want to talk for a moment about quizzes and how to read the submission view and so forth, and some of the features of quizzes. First of all, realize that you'll be able to take each quiz twice. Now, not the midterm and the final, but the individual module quizzes. However, there may be 20 questions in a question bank, but you'll only see 10 of those questions. So that means that you might, if you take the second time, you might see some different questions from what you saw when you took it the first time. Now, when you look at the questions, and I have a preview of 2 dummy questions coming up on the screen right now. When you look at these questions, you notice first of all there's a number here, 1, 1, 1, 2. They may not always be in order like this. They might be randomized, but this is a specific question number, so that if you have a question about a specific item, you can say, hey, in 1, 3, I think your answer was wrong for that, Roger. Okay, that tells me exactly where to go to find it. Because your question 1 might be different from somebody else's question 1, but this number will always stay the same. So that's why that's there. Now, there are 2 questions in this quiz, and I'm going to answer 1 correctly and 1 incorrectly. Which of the following is the color of a red wagon? Okay, I'll say that's red. That's a correct answer. Abraham Lincoln was a president of which of the following countries? Well, I'll say Italy, just for fun. Now, that's an incorrect answer. I'll submit the quiz, and then what we want to notice is when the results come up, let's do the submit, okay? And when the results come up, how to read this, because you'll see, well, I don't have any clue here as to whether I got this right or wrong. And it doesn't tell me what the correct answer was. Now, that's by design. I don't want you to know the correct answers, because then when you take it the second time, you can just give it the correct answer, and you don't have to know anything. So you need to look them up. But how do I know whether I got it right or wrong? Well, because of the way Desire to Learn works, the only way to really know when I set it up this way is over here. You see 1 of 1 point, so I know I got this question correct. 0 of 1 point, I know I got this question wrong. I don't know the correct answer, but I know at least that I got it wrong, and I may need to go research this question a little bit so that the next time I'll know how to get it right. So that's how you read the submission view of these quizzes and how the quizzes work. Thank you.